How to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. First is to make sure that you have a working internet connection. So to do that, go to your control center. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection right here, or you have turned on your cellular data. And then, if it still doesn't work, then you should go to your app store, search for Pinterest, and make sure that you have the updated version of your Pinterest app. So like this one, you need to click on update right here and then wait for it to load. And once it is done loading, then you may open Pinterest once again. Let's say, for example, that the problem still continues, then what I would suggest is go to your settings, go to general, and then go to iPhone storage, wait for it to load, and then once it is done loading, you need to look for Pinterest and you need to delete the app. So once you have deleted the app, you may go back to the App Store and then re-download it. So that's it. That's how you can fix Pinterest pictures not showing.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.